Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to review some new products that Nykaa just launched. I feel that every other brand is just coming up with so many products lately. It's so overwhelming, and at least I cannot try all of these products for you guys to see. But I had been looking at these online and seeing their Instagram and other people post about this product. And I was very curious because, oh, by the way, I'm actually talking about their new eyeshadow palette. So they came up with new palettes which are called the Eyes on Me palette, which come in 5 different shades. And the reason that I was very curious about it is because they retail for rupees 5.99. Yes, you guys, they are just for 5.99 each. So I purchased 2 of these. The first one is SMOKEY at 8 and the other is Stunner. I really like the names of these palettes, and that's the outer packaging, guys. And this is what the 2 palettes look like. So they have 10 shades in each palette, and you can get 5 different variants of these palettes. So I did post on my Instagram asking you guys if you all wanted me to try these, and so many of you all said yes. So I have filmed looks using each of these palettes. One is what I'm wearing right now, so the tutorial will be up either before or after this video, so make sure you check the description box. So they say intense pigment, easy to blend, complementary shades to create versatile looks, long wearing. So first let's talk about the packaging. They come in this plastic packaging with a clear lid, so you can see all of the shades here. And they have this really useless applicator. I don't know why companies make such applicators with palettes, because it's totally useless. You can't do anything with these. So let me show you the swatches of this palette first. Swatches. Now coming to my thoughts on this palette, they are quite pigmented for the price point. When I swatch these at the store, like especially the metallics, like look at the way they swatch, so beautiful. Look at that, so stunning, so pretty. And they also apply very well with a brush. Now even the mattes, they apply very well, they swatch well, and they also are quite pigmented when you apply it, like for your transition, for your crease. The same goes to this palette, the Sundowner Stunner. The shimmers are very pigmented, as well as the mattes. Let me show you. Look at that. Now when it comes to blending the mattes, they are quite easy to blend, not very difficult, but they can be a little patchy at some places. So make sure you have primed your eyelid very well. Like you can use just a concealer as well, and then apply a powder on top, and then go ahead and apply these shadows. And I would say that use a little on your brush. The brush does pick up a lot of pigment, so use a little on your brush in the beginning and then intensify as you go on. Now with the shimmers, you can apply it with your fingers. That gives out more intense pigment. Even with the brush, they do give a good pigment. You can see that in the tutorials. One thing I don't like about it is the fallout. Especially the smoky one has so much fallout, you guys. You will see that in the tutorial. It has a lot of fallout. This one surprisingly didn't have much fallout, like very minimum fallout, but I think it's because of the way they are pigmented. These don't crease on the eyelids. Like I always apply a concealer first, and then powder, and then apply my eyeshadows. So these do not crease on my eyelid, and they do not smudge. Staying power, I would say they're not very long lasting like my high-end eyeshadows or even some of the Makeup Revolution eyeshadows. But like the shimmers, they lose a bit of the intensity over a couple of hours. They don't look that pigmented as you first applied it. So they stay on the lid, they don't fade as such, but they don't look that pigmented. I hope I'm making sense. I purchased these by myself and I was really surprised. Like, if you are a beginner, this is definitely a palette to check out. Like, they are very affordable. $5.99 for these palettes is very affordable, and that way you can try a lot of palettes as well if you want to use it for your everyday. Again, they are also very lightweight, so they are very travel friendly. You can actually put them in your handbag and you're good to go. So yeah, that's it for my review on these palettes. I hope I've covered everything. If you have any more questions, please ask me in the comment section below. I really enjoyed using this to create this look, so definitely check out the tutorial for this. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do and follow me here, because I do post a lot of tutorials on my IGTV and a lot of other content there. I'll be posting another look using the Smoky palette on my IGTV, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.